Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. This video is about the notifications released by Bharat Electronics Limited BEL. So in the official web page, click on careers and under that click on this job notifications. So here we will have around 5 to 6 different notifications. First is for engagement of technician apprentice. Second is for project engineer. Next is for ITI apprenticeship training. Next for non-executive recruitment. Next for field operation engineers. And finally for engagement of management industrial trainee and PEL. So the different notifications are available here. Let us see one by one. So the first notification is for walk-in interview for management industrial trainee. The eligibility criteria required is only Indian nationals can apply. The upper age limit is 25 years. Relaxation details are given for different category. Selection was based on both performance in their academics and interview. Monthly stipend of 18,000 rupees for first year, 19,000 for second year and 20,000 for third year will be provided. So if you are interested, you can appear for the walk-in interview on June 24th at 9 o'clock along with the following documents and one photocopy which is mentioned here, which is 10th mark sheet, degree mark sheet, ICWA Interpass certificate and Aadhaar card, and the venue is given here. So this is the information from the first notification. Let us see the second one. So this is for the post of field operation engineer. The tenure is for 3 years. Educational qualification required is BE, BTech, BSc in ECE, EEE, Mechanical Instrumentation or equivalent. 2 posts are available. Upper age limit is 40 years and it requires 7 years of experience with at least 4 years of experience in installation, testing and commissioning of PSD. Second is for field operation engineer under safety, which requires graduation in safety. 2 slots are available, which again require 7 years of post-qualification experience with minimum 5 years of experience in railways related project. So for the post of field operation engineer, the disciplines eligible are ECE, electronics, EEE, mechanical and instrumentation. Regarding the post-qualification experience, the complete details and the domain about the work experience is required as mentioned here so that we can check if the domain is belonging to the candidate's domain also. Upper age limit is 40 years. Period of contract will be for 3 years. Remuneration details is given here. Selection procedure is walk-in recruitment and the selection process will be starting with an written test followed by an interview, and the selection will be based on the merit order in the ratio of 1:5. Fee payment is given for each candidate, which is 450 rupees plus 18% of GST, and the instructions for making fee payment is given, and finally the general instructions. So documents to be submitted at the time of walk-in selection is given, which includes duly filled application form. So along with the application form, we have to include all two passport size photograph, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, degree mark sheet, and provisional certificate, conversion formula certificate for conversion of CGPA, post qualification work experience, and fee payment receipt. So this is the information from the second notification. Moving on to the next one. So this is for engineering assistant trainee, which requires 3 years diploma in engineering. The discipline required is electronics and communication. 12 vacancies are available and the pay scale, grade, all the details are mentioned here. Second is for technician C, which requires SSLC plus ITI plus 1 year apprenticeship program, and the disciplines eligible are electronics and mechanic, which has 15 slots, and for electrical 2 slots are available. For junior assistant, BCom or BBM is required and 3 slots are available. Nationality and upper age limit is given, which is 28 years for all the 3 posts. and the relaxation details are mentioned here. Regarding the educational qualification, the minimum percentage of marks should be 60% for general category and 50% for the other category, which is mentioned here for all the three posts. Experience is nil, so freshers can apply. Registration in Telangana Employment Exchange is essential, so which will be a mandatory one. The method of selection will be based on written test, which carries 150 marks with two parts. First part is general awareness for 50 marks and second is part 2 for technical or trade aptitude, which has 100 marks consisting of technical or trade knowledge. The minimum qualifying marks for general category will be 35% in both part 1 and part 2 separately, and for SC, ST, PWD it is 30% for in both part 1 and part 2 separately. Pay and allowances details are mentioned. Application fees is 250 rupees plus GST of 18%. So for payment of application fee, the link is provided here. To apply, the application form is available with the link which is provided here. So just click on that. So here, click here to submit the online application. Just to select the post. If it is engineering assistant trainee, then click on that. So here, in case if you are a fresh candidate, you have to log in first by clicking on that. So here we have to fill in all the basic particulars starting from name, date of birth, post applying for, discipline, email ID and password. Submit this and complete the initial registration part, and with that we can complete the application procedure. And finally, the general instructions are mentioned here. So the documents that are required are all listed here, so that we have to make a check of that also. And the last day to apply will be July 11th. Next advertisement is for Project Engineer 1, which has 20 vacancies, and the qualification required is BE or BTech in Engineering in Computer Science and minimum post-qualification experience of 2 years under C++, Java, SW testing, SW documentation, Python is required, and upper age limit required is 32. Consolidated remuneration details are mentioned here, and the upper age limit and relaxation details are given. So it was given as computer science as the required educational qualification, and the relevant disciplines which are applicable are computer science and engineering, information technology, information science, software engineering, information security, computer networking, computer engineering and information security, information system security engineering, computer information cyber security. So you should have minimum 2 years of qualification, that is work experience after the educational qualification. So the post qualification industrial experience, what are eligible and what is not eligible is all mentioned here. Selection procedure will be based on written test followed by interview. 85% of marks will be allotted for written test and 15% of marks for interview. And in the merit order 1:5 ratio, candidates will be shortlisted. So to apply, we have to complete the application form and send along with the required documents to the particular address which is mentioned here. And the last date to receive applications will be 28th of June, and the other things will be intimated later. Application fees is 472 rupees. Self-attested documents that is to be attached at the time of forwarding the application is listed out here, which includes BE BTech, graduation mark sheet, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, degree mark sheet, post-qualification work experience certificate. And finally, the general instructions are listed out here. And the last day to apply will be 28th of June. Let us see the last recruitment, that is last advertisement, which is for selection of apprenticeship training, which is for a period of 1 year. The date and time, diploma, branch are all mentioned here along with the center. and it is eligible for ECE and allied branches, civil engineering, EEE, computer science and mechanical engineering. Mode of selection will be based on performance in the written test. Only the southern region candidates are eligible to apply. So candidates belonging to Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana can apply. They should have a diploma certificate from recognized board or university. Maximum age limit is 21 years. And along with that, we have to produce all the original at the time of verification, which includes 10th mark sheet, Aadhaar card, and in case if you are studying in final semester, you have to produce your identity card issued by the college principal. Selected candidates will be informed through email, followed by publishing of list of selected candidates in the official website. Monthly stipend is 12,500 and the other informations are mentioned here. So these are the different recruitment details posted in Bharat Electronics Limited. So as you can see under the careers page, we can find the official notification for the different recruitment here. And the last date is also mentioned here along with the application form. For example, if you see for project engineer 1, we have the click here to download application form here. So you can click on that and complete the application form. So this is the information from the notifications released by BEL. In case if you have any doubts, you can post it out in the comment section. Thank you so much, friends.